What you guys eating? Oh, you don't have to be in it, Madison. Look, Layla's eating blueberries on her own that I cut in 4. You want to show a blueberry to the camera? Did you pick that blueberry? You didn't. Is it tasty? You can do it. Oh, oops. Oops. Sorry.
I see the glass. Okay, that's fun. Oh my God.
Good job. Good job picking up blueberry pieces. Good job.